One of the top 5 worst decisions of my life is to be in the common bathroom at 9:15 p.m. I'll show you. All the rooms are locked except for mine. All the rooms are locked, and I am heading towards the common bathroom to wash my clothes because I'm leaving tomorrow. I should have done it before, I know, but it's scary. It's not scary at all. I mean, look at my confidence. I'm in the middle of this common bathroom. Nobody is here. Nobody. Packing is on, guys. Packing is absolutely on. I'm not in the mood of recording myself while packing. Maybe I'll make a proper, packing wala video when I am coming back to Delhi. Maybe. Like I did make one before coming to Delhi, but I could not find the leisure to edit that and post it. But anyway, I'm so not in the mood. I just want to sleep right now. So, bye-bye. See you tomorrow morning, or maybe after the packing is done. I'm done with packing the clothes, but right now I need to pack my shoulder bag as to which book should I carry and which book should I not carry. We'll have to carry something, perhaps the notebooks. Yeah, notebooks, right. I wanted to wear these earrings with the outfit I'm wearing today. Night when I slept, I kept the pair together, but I cannot find the other one right now. So it was stuck under my sleeper. We are so ready to go home, gang. Does this color suit me? I have not worn this color before. I mean, I have, but just like a casual t-shirt at home. See the earrings. By the way, you all should totally get this What a Girl body mist, which is Secret Crush and Amber Kiss, because they smell like heaven. I swear to God. It's not a promotion, of course, because you all have not yet made me that famous. It's almost 10 and I have my hair to dry. I have to make some food for myself and I have my nails to paint. I'm ready. I'm finally ready. Oh, lip balm once again. Fully ready. वाटर बॉटल भर लिया, इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स भर लिया, टिकट भर लिया, बुक्स जो थे भर लिया, ड्रेसेस ले लिया एंड फ़ोन का चार्जर ले लिया एंड व्हाट एल्स, एंड आई डोंट सी एनीथिंग एल्स. ज्वेलरी का बॉक्स ले लिया है एंड या और क्या, और कुछ नहीं. अब बस 3 लगेजेस को लेके जाना है. माई नेल ब्रोक, सो आई गिव अप ऑन द प्लान ऑफ पेंटिंग माई नेल्स. I'm so confused. I don't know how to get in actually. This is so embarrassing, going from one counter to the other. And my dad is shouting at the top of his voice in the video call. Checking is done. Like the boarding time is still 1 hour and 15 minutes away. Wherever I go, I make new friends. New friends. My parents are being so worried about me. I mean, it is part in it because it's my first time traveling alone back home, that too in flight. Oh my God. A year ago, I would not have, I could never have imagined myself in this position. I would never have. I'm doing veg today. So I have ordered corn and cheese pizza and garlic bread. And I was kind of contemplating whether I should get the chocolate lava cake or not. But then I thought, I'm the going home. So I don't need to worry about anymore, like money being there or not being there in my purse. So okay, fine, yeah, let's go and opt for chocolate lava cake as well. My boarding time has been preponed to 2:05 and it's near about 1:45 right now. So I have like 20 minutes to finish my meal or whatever, given that I received the meal. I cannot believe finally going to board a plane for the first time in my life. I cannot believe.
The flight.
Failed to identify my bag not once but twice. আমার তো মনে আছে আমার ব্যাগ ফাঁকা না। দুর্গাপূজা back home. I'm finally back home. My room looks no sorry. My room looks so organized. My room. My desk. Wow. Such a beautiful room. এটা আমাকে প্লেনে দিয়েছে রে, ডমিনোসে গালি